Alright, we got a 19-inch LCD IGT Cortex. Alright, we got it in because there's no power. I got 120 running and video and nothing. Alright, so let's see what we got. Common problems on these is the power supply. We're going to fix the power supply. We know it's the power supply because I always carry an extra one, put it in there, and it works fine. Other things that go out on these is your inverter. Most common problems on the inverters are these two caps. They'll go out. When you replace those, sometimes, more than likely, one of these two ICs is going to go, so you have to replace those. Another thing that goes out often is your fuse right there. So once you isolate the problems, easy fixes. This power supply right here, we have 3 common problems that we run into most of the time. I'll show them real quick. This video board right here too, we've had problems with our caps, and as you can see, we did ghetto style. We replaced it with through hole caps for the surface, but it works. You got 3 right there, works fine. Okay, so let's see right here. This is my power supply. Common problems on this power supply is 7 caps that usually go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You replace those, it should come up. If it's not, it'll be an IC803, which is located right there. You can test that one, and if you have one laying around or a bad one, or a bad power supply out there that has a good IC, you can try it and test it. As you can see, we have from our ground point to our test point, we have a short. Dead short. We have it under diode, and we're testing that. Now, normally that can be a IC803, but in this case it's not. I already replaced it. So I traced it back to my Zener diode. 7 Zener diode right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see. It's Zener diode 801. But let's test it real quick. Okay. Just a minute. Dead short. Okay, so like I said, 3 problems. Caps usually take care of it. If it's not, it's going to be your IC. And in this case, it's my Zener diode. So let's change it up. See what we get. Alright, we can test this out of circuit just to make sure it is. And as you can see, dead short. And now we're going to test over here. And no more short. See? So that was our problem right there. There's our junction drop. Alright, so the short was following that Zener diode, so let's slap another one in there. Here's my Zener diode. Alright. Let's plug this guy in. $120. Alright, let's see what we got. Now look at the front. Look at the video. Okay. There it is. There it is, the vendor dial. Remember, it should be an IC also. So those are 3 common failures. That's it. It's a wrap.